Welcome to another episode of 61 Seconds, where we take you to Oakland, California, the city of pimps, players, and hustlers. Where we take you to a man who tries to purchase a vehicle and was never seen again. Ooh, I got to have this. I know this one.
Hey, nigga. What you doing? Yeah, that's me, nigga. Hell no, it ain't for sale.
I bet if I give you this 1.5 though.
Ain't got no motherfucking 1.5.
Nigga, what's your cash out?
You got 1.5?
Hell yeah.
Come here, bro. Come to the gate. Come here, nigga.
I once heard a crackhead in East Oakland say, if that bitch can't swim, she's bound to drizzle. Tell her I got $10. Let me get some of that head for $10. Yeah, tell her let me get some of that head for $10.